Welcome back, everybody. This episode of Tech Talk. Today we're going to be talking about a differential and how you can expect it to show up when you order from Powertrain Products. We have a Ford unit here as the example, and you'll notice that it comes pretty complete. This one particular does have the axles. Keep in mind, not every one of our differentials will come with the axles. Make sure you talk to your drivetrain genius. They'll be more than happy to explain exactly how your unit comes. Now also you'll notice there are no backing plates or there's no brakes as well. So a few bolts, a C-clip, you pop the axles out, you put your backing plates and brakes on, and we call it a day. Now also understand the size of the unit. There are some additional handling fees when shipping these all over the country. If you have any questions, give us a call at 888-842-0023